crooked grin and a sinner's calm, like judgment dressed in a three-piece charm. Black gloved hand, black gloved hand. Everybody knows but nobody can say his name when the cold wind stands. Oh, here comes that black gloved hand. There's a preacher in town with a gold-tooth smile. Says he saw that man by the river while feeding match flames to the midnight reeds, like he knew every lie and he named every need. And the women go pale when the lamps burn low, 'cause he speaks so soft but he means, you know, like a coffin lid closing somewhere deep, like a promise the devil forgot to keep. Window shaking silence, whiskey turns to sand. Every room gets smaller at the touch of that man. Oh, here comes that black gloved hand, walking slow through the wicked land, with a crooked grin and a sinner's calm, like judgment dressed in a three-piece charm. Black gloved hand, black gloved hand. Everybody knows but nobody can say his name when the cold wind stands. Oh, here comes that black gloved hand. He ain't no ghost, he bleeds just fine, but men like him don't come through time. They rise like smoke, they pass like plague. They leave one blueprint, one open grave. And if he asks you for a light, boy, you best not shake, 'cause some men don't come for the flame, they come for what it takes. Now the mayor won't speak and the judge looks ill, and the bells in the tower have all gone still. There's a horse untied in the pouring rain, and a widow laughing like she's gone insane. He walks on by with his hat brimmed low, like he owns the dark and the dark says so. One hand clean and the other tucked, where the saints lose nerve and the damned lose luck. Here comes that black gloved hand, walking tall through the ruined land, with a serpent grace and a pale moon charm, like mercy holding a loaded arm. Black gloved hand, black gloved hand. Everybody runs but nobody can outpace night or outrun down nation's brand. Oh, here comes that black gloved hand. So lock your doors and dim your lamp, pray your name ain't in his hands. Black gloved hand. Black gloved hand. Boots hit the floor, yeah, I'm locked in. Eyes on the door, let the game begin. Got a fire in
my chest and I'm playing in motion. Cool on the outside, all engine, no emotion. I don't slow down, I don't miss twice. Built this thing from grit and sacrifice. Whole world talks, but I move clean like a loaded dream in a blacked out machine. I got my name in the smoke, my mind on the crown. One shot, one road, and I'm burning it down. I'm a man with a target, dead set all in. Heart full of thunder, and a mind built to win. I don't wait, I don't panic, I don't break, I go hard. Every move got a reason, every scar left a mark. I'm a man with a target, and I came too far to stop now. Stop now. No handout luck, no lucky break. Just long nights learning what I could take. Now I walk like pressure made me better, like I stitched my soul to the stormy weather. They can talk big, they can throw that shade, but I've seen worse and I still got paid. I got teeth in my grin, got steel in my pace. When I lock on something, I don't lose trace. I got my back to the past, my eyes on the rise. No room, no slack, no fear in these eyes. I'm a man with a target, dead set all in. Heart full of thunder, and a mind built to win. I don't wait, I don't panic, I don't break, I go hard. Every move got a reason, every scar left a mark. I'm a man with a target, and I came too far to stop now. Stop now. Stop now. Stop now. I don't stop now. I don't back down. Full speed, no brakes, no sleep, no ways. Locked in, laser straight. I was built for the chase. Let the pressure rise. Let the whole world stare. I don't need their light. I bring my own in there. Game on. Move fast. One shot, one life, stand tall. Think big. I'm a man with a target, dead set on fire. Blood full of purpose, and my aim climbing higher. I don't wait for a moment, I create what I want. Every loss made me sharper, now I hunt what I hunt. I'm a man with a target, and I came too far to stop now. Too far, too hard, too focused to stop now. I came up hard with the dust in my teeth. No silver road, no mercy for me. Had to learn how to turn my pain to steel, how to stand my ground and never kneel. I've been the spark in the dead of night, the last one left in a losing fight. Every scar put fire in my veins, every loss taught me how to reign. I don't run when the pressure hits, I don't fall when the dark gets thick. This ain't luck, this ain't fate, this is what the hard days make. Kings are forged in the fire, built from the dust in the wire. Born where the strong survive, raised where the wolves don't hide. We don't break, we're made in the heat and like thunder, heart full of weight. They all talk like I'd fade away. Now I'm the storm that they can't outrun. No handout, no easy crown. I built mine up from the falling down. Every bruise turned gold in time. Now the pressure only sharpens mine. I don't beg when the line gets thin. I don't quit when the cracks set in. This ain't chance, this ain't luck. This is blood rising up. Kings are forged in the fire, built from the dust and the wire. Born where the strong survive, raised where the wolves don't hide. We don't break, we're made in the heat and the blade. When the world goes dark and afraid, that's where kings are forged. In the fire, we rise higher. When the fear invades, that's where kings are forged. Let the mountains shake, let the sky divide. Let the weak hearts run, we don't step aside. Let the battle call, let the embers rain. You don't earn a name till you walk through pain. Stand up, hold fast, burn bright, outlast. No fear, no chains, no chains, no hold. Kings are forged in the fire, made from the flood and desire. Born when the world says die, raised with the storm inside. We don't break, we're made through the scars, through the blade.